Effective remedy for vitamin and minerals deficiency. Hello and welcome to Healing Natural. Today we will talk about the effective remedy for vitamins and minerals deficiency. Be sure to like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. So, let's get going. Modern food products in most cases cannot fully saturate the human body with all the necessary substances that are needed for its well-coordinated work and maintaining health. Currently, over half of the U.S. population takes synthetic nutrients like multivitamins. However, there has been much debate over whether synthetic nutrients provide the same benefits as natural nutrients. Some sources even suggest that synthetic nutrients may be dangerous. As a fat-soluble vitamin, vitamin D in excess is not flushed from your body through urine. Although your body can become toxic from excessive supplemental intake, the toxicity does not derive from vitamin D-rich foods or sun exposure, according to the Office of Dietary Supplements. The maximum amount of vitamin D that adults can safely obtain from supplements is 4,000 international units, IU, per day. If you exceed this limit, the excess vitamin D stays in your blood, causing adverse effects such as unintentional weight loss, anorexia, and abnormal heart rhythms. Excess vitamin D can raise your blood levels of calcium, causing heart, blood vessel, and kidney damage. Consuming smaller amounts. For example, 1,000 IU per day, along with calcium in supplement form, increases your risk for kidney stones. Sufficient intake of vitamin D for most adults is 600 IU daily from food or supplements. The accepted view is that synthetic nutrients are almost chemically identical to those found in food. However, the production process of synthetic nutrients is very different to the way plants and animals create them. So, despite having a similar structure, your body may react differently to synthetic nutrients. Additionally, it's unclear how well synthetic nutrients are absorbed and used in the body. Some may be more easily absorbed, not others. This is because when you eat real food, you're not consuming single nutrients, but rather a whole range of vitamins, minerals, cofactors, and enzymes that allow for optimal use by the body. Without these additional compounds, synthetic nutrients are unlikely to be used by the body in the same way as their natural counterparts. For example, studies show that natural vitamin E is absorbed twice as efficiently as synthetic vitamin E. There is an analog of such drugs, which has a completely natural composition and is well absorbed by human body. This is Amosov's pasta, named after the famous doctor and academician, whose name many associate with health and longevity. It has practically no contraindications and is very pleasant to the taste, and any person can cook it at home. Amosova pasta is a nut-honey mixture with dried fruits, which replenishes the deficiency of vitamins and minerals in the body. Considering that this is not a medicine, but a natural product, it can also be used by healthy people to maintain vitality. Nikolai Mikhailovich Amosov was a great doctor who saved lives of thousands of his patients. He knew a lot about heart health and always tried to help sick people. He recommended this mixture to his patients in the postoperative period for the speedy recovery of the body. But is Amosov's paste only for sick people? How can a healthy person take it, and will there any harm from it? All people can eat pasta, regardless of whether they have health problems. This remedy does not cause excessive accumulation of vitamins and minerals in dangerous doses for humans, but only gradually raises the level of these substances to normal. Composition. Amosova pasta contains only natural ingredients such as dried fruits, fresh lemon, nuts, and honey. Each of these ingredients in itself is very beneficial for the human body, and when all these ingredients are used together, their positive effects will be increased even more. Vitamins of different groups, fiber, potassium, sodium, magnesium, phosphorus, and other useful micro and macroelements. All this is contained in this fruit nut mixture. Therefore, Amosov's pasta is excellent for strengthening the body, the recipe for which is very simple. This remedy is a very popular folk remedy for raising immunity and healing not only the heart, but also the whole body. Amosova pasta. Recipe. The product is easy to prepare at home. You do not need to have any special culinary skills for this. Of the additional devices, you need only a blender or a meat grinder, preferably electric. You need to take the following ingredients: Raisins 0.5 kilograms. Dried apricots 0.5 kilograms. Figs 0.5 kilograms. Prunes 0.5 kilograms. Walnuts 0.5 kilograms. Honey 500 milliliters. Lemon 1 fruit. Dried fruits, lemon with peel and nuts must be chopped until smooth and mixed. It is necessary to add honey to the resulting mass and transfer the vitamin paste to a glass container, which is tightly closed with a lid. Strengthening the heart, increasing immunity and normalizing the stool. All these effects are possessed by Amosov's paste. How to take this remedy to get the most out of it? The most important thing is to do it regularly and within reasonable limits. How to take and store the paste? It is recommended to take 1 tablespoon 2 to 3 times daily before meals. At the same time, it can be washed down with water or tea, but it is highly undesirable to dilute the product in drinks. The thing is that honey, which is in the composition of the paste, when it reacts with hot water, loses its beneficial properties, and vice versa, can harm the body. Due to the violation of its chemical structure, it emits hazardous substances, so there is no need to dissolve it. If you take this nuance into account and follow the rules for the safe use of the product, Academician Amosov's paste will only benefit the body. You need to store the product in the refrigerator so that it does not deteriorate and does not lose its useful properties. You can also use a dark cellar for this purpose, in which a low temperature is constantly maintained. It is advisable not to store the paste for more than 2 months. If it will be consumed by a small number of people, then it is better to cook the mass in small portions. Benefits for the heart. Dried apricots and raisins contain a huge amount of minerals, magnesium, potassium, antioxidants and vitamins E and C. Walnuts are rich in polyunsaturated omega acids, which significantly reduce the risk of heart disease and atherosclerosis. In addition, they contain a lot of magnesium and B vitamins, and these substances normalize the conduction of nerve impulses. The paste also contains figs, which are high in potassium. This trace element is necessary for the normal functioning of the heart and blood vessels. Figs prevent high blood pressure and thin the blood by preventing blood clots. Lemon and honey cleanse blood vessels from cholesterol plaques, normalize their tone. The combination of these products with nuts and dried fruits makes this vitamin blend an excellent strengthening complex. Therefore, Amosov's paste for the heart and blood vessels is an irreplaceable and useful natural remedy. Benefits for immunity. The paste has such an effect on the defenses of the human body. Activates redox processes and fights harmful free radicals. Enhances the activity of general and local immunity. Soothes the nervous system and improves sleep, thereby maintaining health. Since a person normally rests and does not overwork, his immunity is actively functioning. A big plus of the remedy is that its immunostimulating effect is quite mild. It does not force the body's defenses to work for wear, exhausting all internal energy reserves, but only smoothly improve their functioning. Due to its composition, Amosova paste for immunity is a unique product that, moreover, has a pleasant taste. Do not exceed the recommended dosage, despite the natural composition and benefits of the product. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe the channel so that you don't miss out on any important updates.